Hello everybody, this is Mehak Thakur and we are gathered here to celebrate Women's Week. As we all know that Women's Day is coming on 8th of the March and I am the volunteer of Shiksha Kranti and today I am having Mrs. Neelam ma'am with us. So hello ma'am.
Hello,
How are you doing?
I'm great.
Okay, so are you comfortable?
Yes, comfortable.
Okay, so shall we start the interview?
Yes, sure.
Okay, so what do you think about celebrating Women's Day?
Women's Day is the day dedicated to women
Okay.
who have not been identified and who have been exploited. So that is why I think this day is celebrated.
Okay, yeah. So, actually, how do you feel as a woman?
I feel great. Being a woman is the grace of God. So
Okay.
I feel great.
Okay. So, have you ever felt gender inequality?
Yes, definitely. In our society, when I see in my surroundings, there is definitely gender inequality. But as I tell you about my personal experience, so I do not think that I have ever felt like there is any discrimination between me and my brother, me and my other colleague who are boys. So I don't see at my individual level, but yeah, in the society it may be there.
Okay, so you are saying that you have not felt
No,
that.
individually I don't think so.
Okay, okay. So, how many male members do you have in your family?
I have my cousins and my husband, my son. So there are so many.
Okay, so how do they treat you?
They treat me well. Being a relative to them, it is good. But out of that context, if we go, so it is not that much equality. It is seen in the society. So I am telling you that at my individual level, I am treated very well. Otherwise, I do not think that girls are having the same privilege.
Okay.
Yes.
So, what do you do? मतलब क्या करते हैं आप वैसे? What is your profession?
Profession, I am a active volunteer of Shiksha Kranti. So this is.
Besides the volunteer
Besides
of.
that, I am a teacher.
Okay.
So I teach communication skills and tuitions I take also.
Okay, so do you have their male teachers as well?
No, I don't have male teachers. I have female teachers only.
Okay, okay. So that must be the reason you have not felt that inequality.
Yes.
Maybe.
No, not that is the not reason. I have so many friends who were in college, who were in school. So they were like a friends. So not. I tell you that there is a difference. Definitely there is difference, but not that much difference. I have
Yeah,
found.
that can vary like matlab that is a subjective matter, not
Yes,
an objective.
yes.
But when we talk about the whole society, so it is there.
There is definitely in our society there is definitely in the
Inequality.
gender inequality. If you see in Himachal we do not see that much, but if you go out of Himachal, states like Haryana, UP, so there is definitely means discrimination in boys and girls.
Oh. So my next question is, what do you think is the main reason behind this discrimination? What according to you?
This is I think the mentality of the people that they think that boys only can carry their hair in future. Girls, but I think that girls can participate as boys are there. So these days we can see so many examples in our country and all over the world that women are doing better than
Boys. Of course. Okay. So have you ever seen somebody is being violated by like domestic violence? You have seen that somewhere in your surroundings or maybe in your family?
Not in my surroundings. I do not find this case.
But
I have
so
not seen.
okay, so first tell me, how do you define domestic violence? What according to you is a violence?
Violence is when a girl is not treated well. She is tortured physically, mentally, and all over. She is treated not well.
Okay, so मतलब कि आवाज उठाना according to you.
To raise the voice for the girls.
जैसे मर्दों के द्वारा औरतों पे आवाज उठाई जाती है, उनको दबाया जाता है, ऑपरेशन. इज इट द वे ऑफ इज इट अ टाइप ऑफ डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस और नॉट?
To suppress their voice?
हाँ.
Obviously, it is. It is when they are not given a proper freedom, be it thoughts freedom or going somewhere. So it is definitely it is a part of violence also.
Okay, so as we all see in everyday life that there are many women who are suffering from such type of things. So how do you think we can make them aware of like how to escape that and how to make their identity, मतलब how to कैसे वो बाहर निकल सकती है उस जगह से?
I think education is the best way to get rid of this kind of mentality of people. So we should educate girls as well as boys because women are the building block of the society. So we should educate them first. That's why this International Day, Women's Day is celebrated, so that we could empower our women today. And as the theme of this year is gain to give, so it means that इसका मूल मंत्र जो है ये यही है कि हमें वुमेन को, औरतों को, महिलाओं को आगे बढ़ाने में, अगर हम उनको आगे बढ़ाते हैं तो हम एक सोसाइटी विकसित करते हैं. मतलब उनको व्हेन वीमेन ग्रो सो वी गेन, सोसाइटी बेनिफिट्स. तो जब एक गर्ल को एजुकेट करते हो आप, तो उससे एक परिवार एजुकेटेड होता है, पूरा हमारा समाज एजुकेट होता है. तो जब नेक्स्ट वो अपने घर में जाती है, ससुराल में जाती है, तो वहाँ पे वो एजुकेट कर सकती है. तो एक वुमेन का एजुकेट होना बहुत बहुत ज़रूरी है. और इसीलिए ये डे आई थिंक डेडिकेटेड क्या है विमेन के लिए, ताकि वो अपने को सशक्त कर सके, एम्पावर कर सके और अपने को आगे बढ़ाकर सोसाइटी में एक अच्छा कंट्रीब्यूट कर सके और योगदान दे सके सबके सहयोग से. जैसे कहते हैं कि छोटे छोटे सहयोग से बड़ा बदलाव आ सकता है. तो ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि एजुकेशन हम राइट वे में सही समय में बच्चों को दें.
Okay. What is the one piece of advice you would love to give to other women?
Yes, I would love to give, definitely, that is that we should speak up for ourselves. We should not suppress ourselves, be it your ambitions, be it or your other emotional or mental or physical weakness. You should overcome it and you should get rid of it as soon as it is possible. And the best way is to communicate yourself and to learn communication skills. If I tell my personal experience, so I have learned so much from Satyan sir, and this is helping me after getting married, because before marriage you are having a good freedom, nobody is there to stop from anything, but after marriage also there is some freedom, but you need to understand the emotional difference. You need to grow emotionally. Okay. Means after marriage, it will help you, or wherever you go. It is not that if you are getting married, but after getting out of your comfort zone, you will have to learn to express yourselves, to communicate yourself. So that is that has been very much helpful for me, as I have learned here communication skills. So always I give a piece of advice to everyone that you should learn communication skills in a right way. Learning communication skill is not like you are learning English. It is to express yourself in a right way or right manner. So that is very important.
हिमाचल से बाहर कहीं भी निकल जाओ आप, वहाँ पे एजुकेटेड सोसाइटी है, फीमेल्स एजुकेटेड है, मेल एजुकेटेड है, बट हो सकता है वो कम्युनिकेट भी करना आता हो उनको, बट स्टिल दे आर नॉट एबल टू स्पीक अप फॉर देमसेल्व्स. इसके लिए इससे क्या करना चाहिए, मतलब कैसे इस चंगुल से बाहर आ सकते?
मतलब को अपने लिए आवाज़ नहीं उठा पाते.
हाँ,
यस सो इसीलिए कि उनको इतना ज़्यादा कमज़ोर बना दिया गया है, चाहे वो मेंटली है, उनको ये रियलाइज़ करवाया जाता है जब एक वुमेन का एक्सप्लॉइट होता है कि आप इतने सशक्त नहीं हो ये करने के लिए। पहले से ही आप जो भी आप देखोगे कि घर में कोई भी डिसीजन लिया जाता है तो उसके लिए आपको मेल्स मतलब ज़्यादातर मेल से ही एडवाइस ली जाती है। तो कहीं ना कहीं जो हमारी ये पैट्रियार्कल सोसाइटी रही है, तो ये अब भी यही सोच हमारी है कि हम जो भी है बॉयज़ कैन डू बेटर देन वुमेन। तो वुमेन ऐसा नहीं कर सकती, लेकिन कुछ विमेन में मैं बहुत ज़्यादा एक आत्मविश्वास देखती हूँ, क्योंकि वो उनको मे बी उनका माहौल ऐसा रहा होगा, उनकी ब्रिंगिंग अप ऐसी रही होगी कि उनको वो सब चीज़ें मिली होगी, लेकिन सबको सब कुछ भी नहीं मिलता है। तो आपको वो चीज़ रियलाइज़ करना बहुत ज़रूरी है। कई विमेन मैंने ऐसी भी देखी है जो एजुकेटेड है और फिर भी वो एक्सप्लॉइट हो रही है, कहीं ना कहीं ये लिहाज करके कि नहीं ये अच्छा है, ये हमें ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए, हमें वो नहीं करना चाहिए। कहीं ना कहीं वो दब जाती है, उनके सब कुछ जो सब सप्रेस हो जाते हैं, लेकिन बाद में जब वो एक थोड़ा थोड़ा करके वो पाइलअप हो जाता है तो कहीं ना कहीं एक डिप्रेशन में निकल जाता है या फिर किसी और वे में वो निकल जाता है। तो हमें ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए, हमें खुद को पहले जानना चाहिए। सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन जैसे हमेशा सर कहते हैं, उस चीज़ ने हमें बहुत ज़्यादा, मुझे तो काफ़ी हेल्प करी है। तो आज अगर मैं कुछ भी ना कर पाऊँ, लेकिन मैं इतना कह सकती हूँ कि मैं मेंटली आई कैन बी हेल्दी एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग ऑल्सो। तो इसलिए बहुत ज़रूरी है।
Okay, thank you, ma'am. So, as ma'am has said that our society is patriarchal, so in some ways or another, we are facing that discrimination. Every girl maybe is facing that discrimination. जैसे कि मैम ने बोला कि education is very important. So yes, we have to educate our society, not only girls as well as boys, so that they must know how to treat a girl or a woman and how to make them feel better. Because eventually this is our society that we have to get married at after a certain age. So I think boys should be that much capable of taking that responsibility and making someone else feel better and comfortable with themselves. So I think first of all, educating boys is, I think, should be the most important thing we have to learn all. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि लड़की पढ़ाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ, we have to educate boys first of all. लड़कियां बिना पढ़े भी मुझे लगता है काफ़ी समझदार हैं. So thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for answering my questions and being here with us.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you. So at last, thank you so much, everybody. Please do like, share, and subscribe the channel. And thank you.